It's 2050, I wake up, I see no war. Too many armor trucks like it's 58. What's the cost? I call Mustafa like what's happening, Brody, where you at? I'm dumbfounded like I was in a coma. Don't know where I'm at. He seemed surprised and said, nah, but you still breathing? You should be dead from that explosion. I'm like, no kidding. I'm starting to picture this blurry images in my head. Now I'm thinking it's a nemesis that I got my memory back. It was the very last day of this fabricated war. Made the cookie war, that's the image programmed to the mind of pawns. Pawns, alright, that's you and me. The truth is cut out from our ears and nice, and that's true. You see, a bright day with a glaze from the blood on the ground. The birds singing makes sense from all the shuddery sounds. Bloody day for the innocents, fighting on the front, but a big fucking win for the August Raiders and the It was Mustafa, almost forgot that I had him on line. He told me he fled to a different country out of the wild, and the family so definitely with them Glocks and them nines. See, Mustafa Manava was never this conflicted. Good kid, Mad City, like he was King Kendrick. I was close to the metal like some Smith. Now he told me being I'm in this country, it's a big foul. City of my home. Can my sisters walk alone on the street? City of my home. Can my neighbors walk free on the street? City of my home. The city of my home. The city of my home. This the voice of former novice under your oppression. The reason why my brother's laying breathless on the stretcher. Reason why my sister's coping with the trauma of abusers. Reason why every never got a medal on the dress. See, you can't blame me now. Did I make this baby now? She we been looted off our rights while we was busy saving up. How now we're supposed to pay your taxes with a fucking job? Still we do, scrapping every penny like this fucking cop. Did I forget to mention? We bribe our way to employment. That's like paying a prostitute just to fuck us up. Then further up, so then to get a check every month. Beg the system up until the chain election shut you up. I'm talking to the people in power, y'all very foul. Educated Indians know what the fuck I'm talking about. First we get discriminated on how we look. Now they got us killing our own in every crook. Institutionalized minds programmed with them hard lies. The drug dealers going wild as soon as the break ties. Cookie made it going back and forth like a tug of war, while his opportunists benefiting from my battle scars. God damn it, it's reason the politicians straight cut. They follow their master like a bitch and they love it. Do they care for the people? I doubt it. They just wanna pocket things like their brain in the group is here. Stake it and lock it. Systemic oppression been a part of our lives. It was go back Simon, now it's coming to light. Overthrow the masses and learn all the teachings, alright? But how you gonna apply to us what you done put up the fight for? It's the rights for us. How we in the ends and treat us like foreigners. Deprive the youngin' with jobs and provide heroin. How you let a hand with extenders extend to the foolish and cut off the one with a pen? Man, this system is stupid.